How do you stop racing thoughts in meditation in 30 seconds or less? So in formal meditation, meaning you're sitting on your cushion, you're ready to go, your mind's churning up thoughts, what do? It won't stop moving. Doesn't really work. It's maybe for a second and then it comes back. So the best advice is to see through the thoughts, to see them as empty. But that can be really difficult, especially if something intense is going on in your life, or if you haven't got a lot of experience with that, then it's just always a little difficult. So there's a slightly better method, or a more forceful method. It's not better, but it's more direct. So you just cut right through the thoughts. Now, if you can do that with your mind, just simply cut the thoughts firmly and forcefully, that's great. But a slightly technique-driven method is to focus the eyes straight ahead, still them so they don't move, still the body, draw in a moderately deep breath, and hold it for a moment. And then holding the eyes will slow the mind, because the eyes make tiny flickering movements. It's part of the wiring, but you can hold them still so they no longer do that. And then that will still the mind, because the eyes and the mind are connected. The mind is constantly trying to make sense of the information the eyes are giving it. It's a huge part of the mind's job. So by giving it the same information over and over again, the mind will stop processing the visual input, and that will slow it down. It will dramatically decrease its activity. But because your eyes are open and looking straight ahead, it still holds your mind in awareness. You don't go to sleep. May still be thoughts, but they'll tend to stop racing. But then how do you cut through that final layer, the little flickery thoughts that may still be there? As soon as you feel that the eyes are still and you're comfortable with it, then firmly shout, PAT! P-H-A-T. It's a seed syllable, and it means cutting through. So you cut through the thoughts with a firm, clear PAT! And then let the mind rest in its experience then. And then allow it to be back on the object of meditation, the breathing perhaps. Now, if you want to know a bunch more hacks, this video will help. It will hopefully dramatically move your meditation ahead. There's a series of 4 of them, so start with this one.